Yep. I'm coming. And I am sitting. Oh, wow. You got everything prepared for me. Thanks. Oh, cool. All the brushes, shoe tree, extra cloth. All right, this is good. Are we starting yet? Oh, we are? Oh, always give me a sign. What is good, YouTube? It's Leon from Sneaker Clinic, and today we're going to unbox this and do a shoe cleaning tutorial. Dirty bag. Put that aside. All right. What do we got? In case you're wondering, this is a little distracting. I'm sorry. It's actually my pair, Air Jordan 7, Chinese New Year. And yes, we got a mic clipped on to the heel tab right there. It's, you can call it a customized shoe mic. Don't steal our ideas. Now, wait, hold on. I don't think this is helpful because it's not really clipped on to my shirt, so the audio doesn't matter. Okay, cool. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a pair of shoes. Doesn't have to be this in particular, but clean bowl of water. I got about 1.5 inches, 3 Rejuvenator brushes, soft and medium, and of course, say it with me, stiffy brush. Rejuvenator solution, shoe trees, especially these ones for the dollar store, the Asian dollar store to be exact. And of course, yellow Costco Kirkland microfiber cloths. Now, I'm gonna work on this surface, not recommended. So I got a cloth right underneath the shoes to protect the surface. I know some of y'all are like, hey, you know what? Change the background. Don't do it in the kitchen. I don't really care. The most important thing is getting this pair of shoes clean. Now, my customer, she gave me a few pairs, and this is actually not that bad. The shoe does have some suede at the front there. The eye stays, and the rest of it is pretty much just rubber, leather, and exposed crappy Nike foam. I really hate this. This is the Nike Blazer off-whites. If you guys are not familiar, here it is. Do a legit check. There's the butt shot right over there. You want to check the shoelaces? Good enough. We're not going to clean the bottoms. We're not going to clean the insides. Cover the opening. We're only going to be cleaning the midsoles, the uppers, and of course the shoelace. Now, I know a lot of y'all are like, hey, I got some stains. I got some Asian hair. Basically, they managed to get underneath this top layer, this mesh. Mind you, that is going to be extremely difficult for you to actually get that Asian hair out once it's in there. I don't even know how it got in there to begin with. Some customers are like, is it game over? I'm like, yeah, it's pretty much game over. Get a new pair. The material, it is double layered. So unless you throw it in the laundry wash, if there's some tough stains that manage to seep into it, Asian hair, good luck. It's gonna be stuck there forever. Now, I'm gonna grab the shoe tree. Once I put this in, I hope this fits. This is supposed to be the men's size. This is the little kid size. What size is this? Should I wear gloves? No, I'm not gonna wear gloves. All right, so now that you got a little bit of support on the toe area, this is looking good. It is looking unsexy. We're gonna make this sexy. Put this right side aside. Have a quick 360. There you go. The laces aren't that bad. A lot of the rubber material, the midsoles, you can actually hand detail it with the cloth. You don't need to use the brush. To be honest with you, the brush isn't going to remove most of this dirt. With the suede, it's okay to do the dry brush method if you want to, but because we're going to clean the entire shoe anyways, and there's not a lot of areas with suede, I'm just going to go ahead and hit it with the Rejuvenator. What method cleaning? Let's start. Boopity boop. You guys know what I'm doing. Not squirts, drippity drips. Making some music. Let's twirl it around. Oh, too cringy? Oh, well, that's my style though. Oh, well. Are you seriously telling me this now? Like, you got so many people watching me. I just want to do it my way. Please. Just, okay. Can I continue? Twirling? Okay. Don't smile? Okay. Too serious? What do you want me to do? Shake off a lot. The colors are pretty much the same, except for this orangey Donald Trump skin color swoosh. Let's test the bubbliness. Woo! Move this away. Ooh. You guys are ready? Oh my God. Sorry. This is great. All right. You want me to... Really? Okay. This is great. Now let's clean the entire upper with the soft bristle brush first. And then once you're done, pat it dry. Okay, guys, I don't think this is working. Can I just put this down? This is really tiring. Speaking of Trump, why am I still making fun of Trump? I'm not, but it seems like the ex-president is just never going away. Did you guys even know? He got banned from Twitter, and he also got banned from Facebook. Oh my God, this guy is just on the news more than Biden. I actually miss that guy. I actually should copy him. I think I need to get banned from YouTube because my videos are too cringy. No one watches it. It sucks. This is why I like to leave the laces on while cleaning, at least for the first round. It's because you can have the brush hit the laces at the same time. Seems like Asian strands of hair are everywhere. Yeah, there's one. Just gotta... Yeah, it's not going away. See that? No lie. Boop. Boop. Okay, pat the entire shoe dry. And once we're done that, I'm actually gonna remove the laces and then I'm gonna hit the tongue. Okay, yeah, this feels great. No, it doesn't. Removing the laces. The one thing I actually like about a Virgin Abgoals idea of printing on certain things is, in case you're confused as to like, I can't find a shoelace. I don't know what shoelace is. There it is. He's telling you that this is freaking shoelace. Ready for a magic trick? Okay, let's... Oh no. My shoes. Oh, man. All right, keep cleaning the exterior of the tongue until you're satisfied. This is only the first round, remember, so don't go too crazy. All right, there we go. I'm gonna pat this dry right now. Medium brushy time. What do you mean it's too fast? But I always do it this way though. Okay. You're gonna edit this out. Okay, sounds good. So guys, we are going to show you a left and right side comparison after the soft bristle brush cleaning. I don't know how to show you. Good enough. But those idiots behind you, they're telling me not to do it so fast for the purpose of this freaking tutorial. Medium brush, start cleaning the entire upper. This is where the magic is going to begin. Okay, stop. Just, can we take a break? I don't normally smile when I'm cleaning shoes. It's not fun. Sometimes it is, but why do you want me to pretend like I'm enjoying myself smiling just to look good in front of the camera? It's all fake. I just want to do both shoes all at once. I'll edit the video myself. I think we don't need you guys anymore. So there's the exit. I'm gonna do this myself. Save some money. Because I'm Asian. Wait for you to leave. Yes, you can have the freaking candy. It's free anyways. What is good, YouTube? The film crew has left the building. Oh my god, I'm finally by myself. This is a lot better. All right, I don't need to listen to the director telling me exactly what to do. It's just wasting my time. Just use the freaking medium brush. Start cleaning the entire upper. Once you're done, pat it dry. I'm gonna work the right shoe off camera, and then I'm gonna show you exactly how to get the rubber midsole and the Donald Trump skin orange swoosh clean. Cool, 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 cool. Cool. Okay. Grab this, your bowl of solution, and start rubbing Donald Trump's orange skin. Okay. Just run it along the entire midsoles, any areas that's rubber. If you see any scuff marks, you can always use the tippity tip of your fingernail and start gently scratching the surface while cleaning it. Some of the scuff marks like there in the front, and of course the heel, that's going to be a little bit of extra work needed, so please be patient. I don't know why I said please be patient. Just be patient. I'm going to show you guys right now how long it takes me to just clean this particular section right over here. My elbow. Make sure you stretch, work out before you do this. Oh my God, I need to charge them more. This is a lot of work. It's a lot of labor. Okay, is it good? I think my finger's hurting. All right. Oh, I asked for this. All right. Wipe down his skin. All right, cool. Very, very easy. Look at that. Boop. Now, the laces, I'm going to quickly check it. Let me hold my breath. Now, I'm going to use a fresh solution. I'm going to dunk this in and let it soak. Oh my God, these Chinese noodles are everywhere. I'm going to let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes and then dry it boop, like that with the cloth. And then once that's good to go, I'm going to use the medium bristle brush and just start going over the entire lace. Make sure you do both sides and then dry it again and then let it air dry. And if you still see some stubborn stains, you can always go ahead to do a second round or do this. Target the stubborn stains with your finger. That sounds wrong too. And once that's good, throw it away. We don't need it. Yeah, it would be good. Oh, sorry. I was just daydreaming, visualizing how Donald Trump would freaking look like if he was to rock this kind of shoe. Off-white Nike blazer with the orange swoosh, but I figured out he's not gonna look good. Maybe Obama can actually pull it off. He has a lot of swag. Biden, I don't know. For some reason, he's too old. Okay, so I'm going to clean the other side off camera. I'm going to make sure that both sides have the laces at least somewhat first round clean. And let it air dry for about half a day to 1 day. 1 day if you're lazy like me. Then we're going to come back and I'm going to show you guys how to do the second round, which is basically just doing this procedure all over again and hand detailing all that good stuff. You know what? I don't even need to show you guys the second phase because it's going to be wasting your time. So let's just get this done off camera first. Let me take a break. Chapman's Canadian Almonds and Milk Chocolatey collection. It's kind of like Haagen-Dazs, but a lot smaller. This is sad. It's good though. I'm looking across the other condo there, windows open. I think I see someone staring at me. I'm gonna stare back at them. Kind of awkward. Well, hey, it's Leon from Sneaker Clinic. Now, 2021, I'm gonna start this year just, filming high def, right? Just get better quality because I think that's very important. I've already made about 100-ish videos, crappy. If you watch some of those YouTubers out there, they're like, hey, how do you get big on YouTube? Like, what should you do? All the other guys like Mr. Beast, All those big namers, you know, they made like over 100 videos, 100 crappy first videos before they start finding their way and then improving on quality. So that's what I'm going to do. I already surpassed that 100 crappy videos. Okay, let me try to finish this.